Stephanie Baumas here with the Usborne Book Nook. I want to show you some Cycle 3 options for the human body and anatomy, starting with our very youngest readers. This is one in our My Very First series, and it's a body book, and it does not have any flaps, but it has a ton of information. The pages are thick, board book-like pages, and it's going to take you through the human body with simple but easy to understand explanations for our obesitarian age. Talks about sickness, expressions, growing up, how to take care of your body, just chock full of information for those younger learners. This is a fun one to add to your collection from our Shine a Light series. We have Shine a Light, the human body. You're going to shine the flashlight under the page and the hidden image will appear. So you'll shine the flashlight under this page and you'll see their skeletons. It is nonfiction, but in a storybook format. This is my personal favorite. When you shine the flashlight under her lungs appear. This is hardcover. This one is in our Big Book series, Big Book of the Body. It has giant fold out pages. So let me show you one of them here. So this is bones. And as you can see, it folds all the way across the floor. And this one's muscles. And it's got little pockets of information for you to read, all kinds of fun facts. It has 4 big pullouts. One is on the digestive system, one is on the circulatory system. So this one is really great. Again, its pages are super durable for younger children, but older children are going to get a lot out of this as well. It's got your brain and 5 senses, lots of information. We have several lift the flap options. This is one of them. The cover is going to look a little bit different because my copy is older, but this is our look inside the body, best for early elementary age. So this one is the digestive system. They can lift all of these flaps to find out more information about each body system. We have the heart and lungs, bones and muscles, again, your brain and all the 5 senses. So lots of things that we cover. And then that one, like I said, is for early elementary. This one is for recommended ages 9+. So you're going to see that the level of text is just a little more challenging. There's more about the same content, but much more detailed in this one. So sometimes there's flaps within flaps. This one has, again, every body system. So I like to keep these on my shelf, and I will pull it out each week as we study the different body systems and the senses. And just read that part. It does have drinking and peeing. You know, the boys love that. Another lift of the flap that's newer to us is one about the digestive system specifically. It's called Look Inside, What Happens When You Eat. So this one tracks everything that happens from the time that you put a bite of food into your mouth. But what I like is this one also goes into the kinds of foods we eat and are they good for us? Sugar, what things make us grow? Vitamins and minerals, bacteria, and sometimes things going wrong like allergies or illnesses. And then at the end, it has a really nice food pyramid to give kids an idea of healthy foods that they should eat. If you're looking for a non-flap option for older kids, this is a great one. It's the Human Body Reference Book. It's hardcover, and it's going to have very detailed information about the different body systems. Lots of graphics, and I like this one because it goes up close so that you can see things in a little more detail. It does discuss reproduction on these 2 pages in a very factual way, but you have to know that that's in there. It's also got things for the cell, and it's got a history of medicine, timeline, and a glossary and index at the end. A fun one that you can keep in your bathroom or just wherever during the year is 100 Things to Know About the Human Body. This is our series that just has all kinds of wild and crazy facts. So you don't have to read it in any particular order. This is one kids can just pick up, learn about the different body systems and the amazing things that your body can do. And it's flexi cover. This is the most detailed of the anatomy options. So if you have an upper elementary, junior high, or high schooler, this is the complete book of the human body. It has internet links. So if you just go to the internet site, there's more that you can see there. but it's going to take you through all the body systems as well as genes and DNA. It's much more detailed, all of your sense organs, the brain. Again, it is going to discuss reproduction toward the back, your immune system, and it's going to have a glossary and an index to find things quickly and easily. And last, we have two brand new releases that also fit into our human body. This is called See Inside Germs. It's a new addition to our Usborne STEM collection, and what a timely new release, right? So they actually started this pre-COVID, and they got COVID in there. If you look really close, it says lots of illnesses are caused by viruses, and they actually got a little picture of COVID in there right before they published it. So this one is going to talk about how germs and bacteria and viruses affect our body every day. So it's going to have good and bad bacteria, viruses, fungi, and this is again for slightly older kids, upper elementary. This one I love because it talks about good health hygiene, very timely, our natural defenses, antibodies, vaccines, antibiotics, and superbugs. So this one is a great new detailed Lift the Flap. And last but not least, we have the Lift the Flap Biology. This one, again, is our STEM collection, and it's going to have a lot of things that we study in CC. So it's going to have all of our different classifications of animals that we talked about in Cycle 1. It has how life works, a lot about DNA in here, and a good synopsis of the different atoms and bacteria. It's going to have some on plants, animals, and again, herbivores. A lot of our vocabulary is in here. And then how to build a body. So it's going to have some specifically about the body, bone marrow, and then more about ecosystems around the world and how we can help to save our planet. So those are some books for human body.